Hi everyone, I'm sitting in our camper. It's almost complete on the inside, and I'll give a full reveal in another video, so stay tuned. I'm not quite sure when I'll get that up, but get it up as soon as I can. And I just want to do a quick little video to show you what I did with these pillows. So I bought the pillows and I wanted them sort of for decorative and for use, but I didn't want to take up more space in the camper and just have more things that would have to be washed when I come back home. I bought these cute little pillow covers on Temu. They're quite inexpensive. And I thought, I got an idea. I could buy pillow inserts. And again, that would just be something extra to have around here. But since we're in Newfoundland and even in the summer, it's going to get cold. I did have some linens I was going to have to store, which would have took up a good portion of that cabinet down there. Not going to show you everything yet. So I said, oh, well, I like big fluffy pillows. I don't like them when they're filled up and they're, like, you know, baggy. And I had these blankets. What's up here? That we're going to have in case it gets cold. So that's what I did. Now our pillow covers are actually storage units for our extra blankets and our extra bed pillows, and they're just stuffed inside. So that was just a quick little tip. I'm going to zip that back up. I don't know if anybody else have thought of it, but I thought that's a great idea. Now I have nice big fluffy looking pillows, but they're actually our blankets if we need them, and we can just unzip them, take them out, and use them. If not, we'll just have the pillows there for decorative. Great way to store the extra linens and extra pillows that you might need inside your camper, so they won't actually take up any space inside your cabinets. So in here we have our two fluffy blankets. In this one I have a bed pillow. In that one I have a bed pillow. And in this one, that one looks a little lumpy. That's our bed sheets. So that's okay. This one don't look perfect, but that's okay. And it's really good for storing our bed sheets too. So all of our linens are now stored inside the throw pillow covers. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the full reveal of the interior later on, probably next week, in an upcoming video.